We're out here today. It's cold, but not as cold as it was the other day. Warmed up a little bit. So we got our golf cart, boat, trailer. I'm trying to do a little fishing. Hopefully we'll catch some. Very cold out here though, so we may not, but still gonna try it. Well, we still haven't had any more hits. We've done worked all the way down that bank, and where he caught that fish was just right around that corner right there. But still got a whole lot of lake to fish. So we're just gonna see what'll happen.
Do what?
He's throwing the buzz bait. I done took that. I had a little. Where it went? Oh, I had that little thing on right there. Little gravityless jig. And put on the spook. Started throwing it. Hadn't had anything yet though. He's still trying to buzz bait. It's been screwing up here a little bit. By gosh, we're still gonna try it. Yeah. Still hadn't had any luck. We didn't work the rest of the way down that bank, and now we're starting into this little cove here. Still fishing with a spook. Y'all go follow my Instagram. It'll have all kinds of cool stuff on it. We're thinking about starting some different little stuff to get y'all more interested or whatever. Yep. And so it is, I'll link it down below, but it's Seth B Fishing, no spaces. Pretty much the same as my channel, YouTube channel. Yep. So, once again, I didn't have the cameras rolling. And he caught one. What'd you catch him on this time?
Just a little weightless wacky ridge Senko.
Oh yeah, that was one of them that come in the fishing care package box, wasn't it?
Yep.
Oh dude, let me tell you, that is a monster. Well, he caught one in this cove. Just that one little one. So now we're gonna come on around this whole corner, and there's a real swampy area down here I can usually catch about a 3-pounder probably, hopefully. Be real nice, but there's absolutely no telling. So yeah, my trolling motor's kinda screwed up a little bit. It's a little jittery, you might could say. See, it's all down through here. A lot of beavers down here though, so who knows what it'll look like. He's gonna throw the buzz bait. I'm gonna probably throw the spook in that little jig. Man, it's sticking in the trees. Oh yeah, he's still gonna make a cast out of it. So, we'll see. Man, he's stuck in the trees again. Oh boy. Just don't hit me. Snatch the other way. Oh yeah.
Master.
So, we'll see what'll happen. He thinks he's a master.
Fine.
Well, again, I'm getting pretty bad at this video and stuff, but he's done hooked up on one. Wow. Oh boy.
Parrot moment.
Huh?
Parrot moment.
Yeah. Look at it. That's another little one. Not what we were expecting. But he caught it on that Senko, that weightless wacky rig. We're all up in the cove. Trolling motor's stuck on the bottom. And I'm still throwing the spook. He changed from the buzz bait. He's throwing another thing. So, we'll see. Well, we've worked all the way down there since the cove. We actually got stuck on a little sandbar kind of thing. So, we pushed our way out of there though. Now, he's fishing around the dock. We'll see what's going to happen right here. Usually we catch some. But all up in them trees right there and that. So we'll see. Oh, he's gonna switch Snankos. What you got on there now? I'm set.
Just a young
That
5-inch dinger.
that green one.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm feeling ya. I get it. But we're thinking of making like a couple hats. Start a little hat deal. If y'all have any ideas, just comment down below what you hat. We'd love to hear what y'all think. But just let us know. We're trying to think of something to do with fishing and hunting because we really like to do both. As you can see, we're camoed up. And yeah, so yeah, dove hunt, deer hunt. We do a little bit of duck hunting every now and then. We ain't real avid duck hunters, I guess you would say. So just let us know what y'all think. Oh yeah. Oh yes, he's hooked up. Oh my God, you done caught you another little dinkarooski. Whoa, Nelly.
Watch out now.
Hey, come back. Yep, a little dinkarooski there. Old Squeak Squeaks McGee. There he goes.
See you later, Junior.
Yum. He's gone. Well, still fishing around this tree. I done switched.
That one just swirled on it right there.
Sure did. Come on, you know you want it. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh just eat it, please. Be that way then, man. I didn't want to catch you anyways. Glue. Throwing a 9-pound hammer in the lake, it looks like. Oh me. But yeah, y'all go check out my Instagram. We're gonna be putting a lot of cool stuff on there. Updates on how we're doing, where we're fishing, and various sundry items and such. So y'all go check it out. Still throwing that 9-pound hammer in there. Well, sort of bad quality. There's a little bit of water on the lens or something. I don't know. But oh my gosh, he picked up. I gosh dog. That's dang near the biggest one you've caught all that, except that first one, ain't it? Man, he's dark. Well, we didn't work all the way down through there. Didn't catch anything. These fish right here must like the camera. Started filming and they come up. So we're gonna fish in this little cove right here and then probably be done. It's starting to rain a little bit. And us particularly, we don't like to get wet. But so we're gonna fish this. Probably gonna just mess around, do something. Who knows? Just throw it back in there. There he is. Oh, that's good. Oh yeah, he come out there too. Man, I caught one like you. We're gonna start calling them Jacob fish. Caught him on that little stank I got my fishing care package. Little. Still, I finally caught one. Hooked him in the top lip too. Well, he must be hungry. Well, after that fish, we didn't catch none, so worked all the way down this bank. Fish around this dock was half falling. We usually catch some. So, who knows? Uh-oh. Oh man, see, I told y'all. There you go. He done call him little Jacob fish. By the way, that's Jacob, so that's why we're saying that. Shoot ya.
Barely hooked.
I told you, man, these fish here, they like the camera. A little bitty old dinker.
Broke my
Oh, you done
back,
switched snake.
back it up, back it up.
Reverse. That's good enough. So, he's untied on a black and blue stinker.
You know?
Well, fished around that dock. He caught that one. Come down that little bank up there. You got one hitting it? Oh, okay. So, we'll see. Well, it's getting colder, I think. misting. It's horrible. We actually had a pretty good day of fishing. I think it's the most fish I've caught on my channel yet. Don't you? What has it been?
Oh,
4 or 5?
Crap. You about to cross me.
For real?
Oh, crap.
You got
Here.
one bag on, man. He's hooked up. Bag on. You sling your stinker off, though. Bag on. Decent one. Oh, yes. Stuck it on him. He must be hungry. Hungry hippo. Oh, yeah.
You're long and skinny.
Yeah. I don't know why. Usually they're pretty big in here.
There we go.
Alright, see how good he's hooked on. You got that on video?
He ate it.
Showed it, but he was hungry. Did you get that on video?
Yeah.
Did you get the whole thing?
Yeah, most of it.
Shoot, yeah.
I'm better at running the camera than you.
Hey. Oh boy, he was a hungry hippo.
Hold him up real quick.
Decent.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
Well, we're going to end our day of fishing. Pretty successful day, if I must say so myself. I'm going to go load up. Head back to the house. Try to get this video uploaded today. What was that?
I had a limb.
But who knows. I think we caught 10 fish.
Yep.
You caught the majority, I caught 2. I don't know why. It seems like since I started this stuff, I can't catch one. But, pretty good day today, so. Here, you got one?
No.
Oh, okay. So, yeah, y'all give us any ideas for a hack thing? Something with fishing and hunting. So, we'd like to know what y'all think. And, y'all go check out my Instagram page, Seth B Fishing. And y'all can DM me on there anything. If you got any questions about what we're using or anything, DM me on there and I'll let you know. Well, we're gonna see if the golf cart will pull us out here. It'll usually get us out, but who knows if it will this time. Jacob, he backed in there a little bit further than usual. So, let's see. See if we get us out. The old outdoorsman. It's been a faithful one. Oh yeah! I told y'all it's been a faithful one. Old Glory. I mean, not Old Glory. Old Faithful.